girl Tiana Denise, and I'm coming back with another video. Today's video is actually going to be a cooking video of your girl making her favorite dish, which is a chicken and rice broccoli casserole. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I make this dish, then go ahead and stay tuned so we can get into this video. If you guys haven't already subscribed to your girl's channel, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Also, give your girls a thumbs up if y'all are liking these videos, and leave your comments down below as well. So, I don't want to make this video too long, so we're going to go ahead and get into this video. So what I started out with first, I started out by getting my skillet together and adding some good old Crisco oil. Ain't nothing like Crisco, ain't nothing like Crisco. Yeah, but yeah, my mama was one of them believers that she wouldn't cook with nothing other than Crisco. Like, you can get the HEB brand, she wasn't playing it. So your girl got her some Crisco, and I've also got some chicken, some boneless chicken. These are boneless chicken breasts, and so I'm gonna go ahead and wash these. So I'm over here washing these real quick. Not washing them, basically rinsing them off. You want to make sure you clean your chicken. I'm sorry to have my back to y'all, but your girl is in here trying to wash this chicken out. Okay, so now that I've washed my chicken, I'm just going to actually lay it here on some foil. And actually, I bought 2 things of chicken, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this up and rinse it as well so I can season them all together. If I don't break my nails trying to get in here. So how is y'all's Tuesday going so far? I've been super busy. I had work today. Then I went down there to the bus stop to go check on my dad. I had to go to HEB to get my food to cook for tonight. And then I came home and I said, well, while I'm cooking, why don't I invite my family and friends? And so here y'all are. All right. So after I do that, I'm just putting my little chicken on here, and I'm actually going to get some paper towels. Let's see if I can bring y'all a little closer so y'all can see. So y'all can see what's going on. What's going on? All right. So I am just drying my chicken out. This helps your seasoning to stick better. So make sure y'all catch your little chicken straps so they can keep this good old seasoning on there. Y'all don't want y'all meat not to be seasoned. So I put my fire on 5. So that's like a medium. That's like a medium on my electric stove. So just drying this off a little bit. So now I am going to actually start with my seasoning. Put them a little closer together so that way it all go in one spot. So I'm just using some regular salt, HEB brand, doesn't matter. whichever one you choose. I'm just going to add a little salt, not too much. You don't want to over-season your food. And I am going to put some accent, just some accent. And then I'm going to just put some regular black pepper. Some seasonal, whatever brand you use is fine. This is just the type of brand that I use in mine. Sprinkle some of that on there. Y'all probably say, oh, she all over the place. She cooking, she doing wig videos, she doing Tron House. But I told y'all that's the name of my channel, Mrs. T's Makeup and More. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of everything on here. So after I put my seasoning salt on there, I am going to go in with some chicken bouillon flavor. And it ain't that much in here, but I'm going to use what's left just to get that extra flavor. Yeah, it wasn't that much at all that's in there. So that's all gone. So just going to pat the chicken. Pat that seasoning in there. Pat, 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 pat. Pat, 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 pat. Yes, y'all. Beat that chicken. Beat that seasoning in that chicken. Alright, then we're going to flip that chicken. And we're going to do the same thing we did on that side, on the other side. Gonna repeat the same thing that you did on the other side. And with this dish, I do not use any flour because it's not needed on the chicken. So we just gonna basically brown this chicken a little bit. Y'all, I'm not gonna put no more salt on it because my pan is heavy and I don't want my stuff to be over salty. So you can, if you want to put some salt on both sides, feel free to, but I just choose not to because like I said, I am heavy-handed and I don't want my stuff to be too salty. So, each his own, do whatever you want to do, but this is what I'm doing. So, put that black pepper on there again. I already put the accent and I'm going to put some seasoning all on it. You got to remember that when you cooking, some of the other ingredients already have salt in it as well. So that's why I say you don't want to over salt because you might just be using a little salt, you know, and then go in with some seasoning and it has salt in it as well. So that can make it too salty. So I'm going to go ahead and beat that meat in. Well, the chicken. Let's pat the chicken. Let's not do that. Let's not beat no meat. We're going to pat the chicken, pat the seasoning into the chicken. And y'all can mix it up if you want to. Mix the bone up like that. Get that seasoning all up and through there. You want it all up and through there, baby. I love to be able to bite into my chicken and it's seasoned all the way through. Not just on the top. I want it to go all the way through. And you can season it and then let it sit for a while so the seasoning can be able to soak in there as well. But your girl ain't got time to be doing all this. This is a meal that's quick to make and it's really, really good. So, all right, let me wash my hands, get that seasoning out. So, after I've done that, over here in my sink, I have some chopped broccoli defrosting. You guys can see just some regular chopped broccoli, and I have it unthawing off in the sink, so that way it won't take that much in the it won't take that long in the oven, because if it's frozen, it takes a little longer off in the oven. So let's see how my grease is hot enough. Sound like it's hot enough, y'all. Let's drop the first piece of chicken. Let's see. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this chicken in there, just like that. I think the grease could be a little hotter, so well, it sounds like it's doing something. So I'm just gonna put a couple of more pieces in here. So after I've dropped this chicken in here, then what I'm gonna do, I am going to go ahead and cook this chicken on both sides, and well, I'll go ahead and cook it on one side, and then I'll come back on here and show you what it's looking like. Be right back. Hey y'all, so your girl is back on here, and we are getting ready to go ahead and chop up the first meat that I cooked. It's been cooled down enough to where I'm able to go ahead and chop it up. So I'm just coming back on here, just showing y'all how it doesn't have to be really big pieces. You just kind of want to shred it. Kind of shred it up. And I might not even use all of this chicken, because I did use 2 packs. Depending on how big, you know, how many people you're cooking for, you can kind of, you know, judge at that time. But even if I don't use all this meat, my kids will just eat this boneless chicken by itself, like, so it's not gonna go wasted, trust me. Y'all, and I put these gloves on because this chicken was still kind of hot. So y'all wondering why this girl got on these gloves? That's why. That is why. So you know, if you like a lot of meat, you can use as much meat as you want to. You're gonna make this to your liking. Like, you know, some people don't like a lot of cheese, so you ain't got to use a lot of cheese like I use. You know, that's just what the recipe called for when I first started making it, and that's just what I've always used. So, like I said, some people don't really like cheese like that. So it's to your discretion on how much you want to use, or even if you want to use it. I've never cooked it without the cheese, so I love cheese. I love cheese. Cheese, please. Cheese, please. For me. Become a dog. All in my business. Get back. Get out of here. Good girl. Go lay down. Go lay down, Kendra. Good girl. In here waiting on me to drop something. Waiting on me to drop it on the floor so she can come eat it. Yeah. Alright, y'all. So, I have a decent amount of chicken cut up. Show y'all what it's looking like. Y'all, get out of my kitchen. So this is what the chicken is looking like with it cut up. Y'all see that? Get in there. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Get in there. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Do the big daddy and bag it up. Bag it up. get my bowl that have my broccoli, my rice, my cheese, my shredded cheese, and my Velveeta cheese. And we're going to go ahead and add this chicken. We're going to add this chicken in here. And then I have 2 more pieces right here that I'm just going to cut up and put in there. And then I'm going to take about 3 more. 3 more of the little chicken strips. Cut them up. Woo, this one real hot. It just came out the skillet. Just came out the skillet. And ready to be cut up. So basically that is what I'm doing with this. I am just chopping up some more chicken and getting ready to add it in here. And then we're going to come back for the finished cut just a minute. Okay, y'all, so we are back for the last and final steps of this dish, guys. So remember I told y'all I had 2 bins of broccoli out. I'm going to go ahead and open this other bag, and I'm just going to put half of this bag along with the water that has created in this. So we just go pour half of this bag in there. Okay. That's enough of that broccoli. So 1.5 bags of broccoli. And then I am going to go ahead and use some butter, and I'm going to butter my pyrex plates. If y'all don't want to use butter, y'all don't have to. It's just something that I do. A step that I put in there. So just butter it up. Same for this one. Starving too. I cannot wait to dive into this. Trust me. Okay. So I buttered my pyrex plate. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and use some of this Swanson chicken broth. You can use whatever type of chicken broth that you choose, but this is what I was brought up on, so this is what I'm using. So we're gonna go ahead and pour this in here. And y'all, I'm sorry I'm not using a measuring cup, but you're going to get it to, you don't want it to be too thick and you don't want it to be too loose. So I'm going to show you the consistency that I like it, because you remember once it goes into the oven, it's going to cook and it's going to dry out. So you don't want it to be too dry when you put it in there, but you don't want it to be too soupy either. So I just kind of play it by my eyesight and see if it's the consistency that I want it to be. So right now it's not, and I use the 33% less sodium because remember you done already seasoned your chicken with salt, and then to go up in there with some regular just Swanson chicken broth. It has salt in it as well, so you just want to cut back on some of the salt. So that's why I use the 33% less salt. So right now I'm just mixing this all up. Get up in there, y'all. Make sure all that rice is stirred around at the bottom. Now, I got carpet tunnel, so this part right here would be a little bit much for me. Normally, if my husband or one of the kids is here, I get them to do this mixing up because this really Let me let y'all get in here. If y'all see this consistency? Let me see. Yeah. Y'all see that? Now with that, I'm probably gonna add a little more. So I done basically almost used this whole 32 ounce of chicken broth. So let's stir some more. Let's see. It's almost there, y'all. It's almost to the consistency that I like it. And like I said, remember the broccoli when it defrosted, well, when it thawed out, it had water in it as well. So yeah. So that plus the chicken broth, and if it's still too I'm gonna use just a little bit more, and then I'm just gonna add a little water. Not that much water. Right there. Don't call for a lot. And we're gonna go ahead and mix this on up, and then we're gonna pour it into these pyrex plates, and I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. Okay, y'all, so I've got it all mixed up here. As y'all can see, y'all see that consistency? It's not too soupy and it's not too thick. So I am going to get this and I'm going to pour it off in here, in the dish. Pour that in there, just like that. And then I have this second one right here because it's always a little extra left. Make sure y'all get all that yumminess out in here. Okay, y'all. Put it to the side and let's go ahead and flatten this out. Just like that. Make sure you get it all in the corner. Just like that, y'all. Come on over here to this one. Spread it out. Alright, y'all. Now that you got that all in there like that and stuff, then we're going to come in with this leftover cheese, y'all. Remember the mom's shredded cheese that you had left? So you want to come back in with that, and you're going to put that on top of here. Just like this. And remember, it has cheese already inside of the casserole dish. So, you know, if you don't want to put that much cheese on the top, you don't have to. I mean, it's just whatever you prefer. But I like a little more cheese on top of mine, so I'm just gonna go up in with the second bag, and I'm gonna put some more cheese on the top. Not too much. You don't want to be stopped up. You don't want to be stopped up for days fooling with all this cheese. But it ain't right. It ain't right to me if it ain't got it. It ain't cheesy. got that cheese on in there. Just like that. Okay, y'all. So that's enough cheese. Gonna close this on up, and y'all, I am going to use actually put a little parsley flakes on top just for decoration, just to add some more little color in it. Yep. Okay, y'all, so this is what it's looking like. That's what it's looking like. So now these dishes are ready to be covered with foil and put in the oven. So I'm going to cover it with some foil paper. Right here and stuff. Cover it with foil, and we are going to get this in the oven. I am going to put it in the oven for covered for like 10 minutes. And then I'm going to take it out. And I'm going to uncover it, and I'm going to put it on broil for like 5 minutes. Well, not even 5 minutes, because 5 minutes is going to have your stuff burnt up. So you got to watch it when you put it on broil, because as y'all know, broil will brown real fast. It don't take much. So, I'm going to cook this covered. 10 minutes. All right. And then we are going to uncover it, and I will come back on here and show y'all what it looks like. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, and I probably forgot to tell y'all, if I haven't told y'all, the oven needs to be on 350. Okay, y'all, so your girl is back, and the oven that went off, so let's go ahead and remove the foil from off of the food. Y'all can't even see, but I'm supposed to take this out, and I'm supposed to take the foil off. Put it back in there, and we're going to let it cook. We're going to put it on broil, and I'm going to put it on low, and we're going to see if we can get 5 minutes out of here. So, and then 5 minutes on, but I turned the 5 minutes on, but y'all, we are going to stay in here and we're going to watch it because we don't want our food to burn. I know y'all don't. We've been in here cooking all this time, and who wants to burn up their food? So I am going to go ahead and let that broil for a few minutes, and y'all, I will come back out here and show y'all what the result is. Okay, y'all, so your girl is back on here with the finished results. So I just wanted to come on here and show y'all what the food looks like. So let's get into it. So look at here. Let me see if I can show y'all better. Hold on, y'all. Let's see. Okay, y'all, so this is the end of this video. Hopefully you guys enjoy cooking with Mrs. T. I hope you guys try out this recipe. Again, I didn't use any measuring. I didn't measure anything as far as the seasoning goes. I mean, you can put as much seasoning on it as you would like. So, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And your girl will get back with y'all another time. Bye.